Hello all, my name is Gaurav and today